Hello everybody, welcome back again to my channel. This is Stella's Secret Place saying hello to you all. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make akara. Akara is what I call bean patty. You guys can see my ingredients. I have scotch bonnet pepper with onion, and here is my beans already pre-washed. I am using black eyed beans, is washed and is ready. I have red bell pepper. So these are the things I'm going to use, and they are ready. As you guys can see, I'm not going to use the whole of the bell pepper because I am using a little bit of beans, so I need to have the pepper. Now I am putting my beans in the blender for me to blend it in addition with the other ingredients like the pepper and onion. So now my blender is ready to be used in blending the beans. You can see I am adding water to the beans. You add water to your own texture. I usually like my akara to be a little bit light, so it depends on what you want, and that will make you to know the amount of water to add. I added not too much, so it is being blended. I'm blending the beans, the scotch bonnet pepper and the red bell pepper. They are blended. I have to give it a quick turn. I have to mix everything well. So this time the only spice I'm really adding is chicken bouillon, just to give it a little bit of flavor. And after that, I have to add a little bit of salt. You add salt to your own flavor. So I just added a little bit because that is the quantity I want to add. You have to give it a quick turn. Turn it very well so that everything will bind together, everything will mix up properly. This time it is ready, and I'm adding a chopped onion. I usually like to chop a little bit of onion into my akara because it gives it a flavor that I like. After it is fried, I like to bite onion and eat. I don't know, everybody have their own preference, so I usually like to have a bite of onion in it. So now my vegetable oil is ready. I sprinkled a little bit of dry onion just to add flavor into the oil. And here is my akara that is being fried. You can see I'm turning it, flipping it around so that it will not stick under the pot. I have to keep turning it, flip back and forth to make sure that is properly cooked. So now my akara is ready to be served. You can see how it is looking, so yummy and delicious. I'm telling you guys, it really tasted good. I call it Beanpatti because I can easily use this to fill up my burger. All I need to do, add it in between and fill it up with tomatoes and onion. So the way you have your burger, you can as well have your bean burger. It is very easy to make, and you guys don't forget that beans is very rich in protein. You have a lot of protein from beans, and you know what protein does to our body. Protein do renew our worn out tissues. So guys, this is the way you make akara. Usually in Nigeria, this is what we use as breakfast. We use this with pap, custard, or what we call akamu. You can as well use it with your bread. You can eat it like this. It depends on what you like. So guys, thank you for coming along with me. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share my video if you like it. Thank you till I see you in my next video. Bye bye.